Alright, taking a trip around the hood in the crappy snow so everybody can see what they got in store for them. Yeah, I'm braving the crap just because a fella's got to be able to get out when he has to. Don't want to feel like you're trapped like a rat in a snow cage. That high-pitched blowing you're hearing is not unusual. It is my heater. So listen and listen good. So as I approach my alley, you see that it's crap. Lots and lots of crap. I have pre-rooted some holes for me to get in. As you can see, back there. So let's see if I can back this puppy in and survive. So I get stuck now. Oh, reverse would be good. Neutral doesn't do much. I am now going sideways. Okay, we're going to pause this and get back to it later.